Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Tether from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT safely and efficiently, you're in the right place. By 2025, crypto transfers have become even more streamlined with enhanced security features, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase. You'll need some USDT in your Binance wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase to avoid any mix-ups. Always double-check for accuracy to prevent losing your funds. Crypto waits for no one. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is stored. Once there, click on Withdraw. Next, choose USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Now, here's a crucial part. In 2025, Binance might default to the fastest networks like Tron or Ethereum for USDT transfers, but always verify the network compatibility with Coinbase to avoid failed transactions. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then paste your Coinbase wallet address. Don't forget to add a memo or tag if required. It's like a secret code for your transfer. Before confirming, review the withdrawal fees and estimated arrival time. In 2025, fees are lower due to improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up, so withdraw in larger amounts if possible. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize. Once submitted, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to Coinbase, go to your account, and check your wallet. Your USDT should appear soon. And that's it. Withdrawing Tether in 2025 is quicker and safer than ever. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and never share your keys. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.